dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the various forms of energy. There are different types of the energy, but today we are going to discuss few one. First one हम बात करते हैं mechanical energy. The mechanical energy which is classified into the two categories, and first one which is based on the motions, and that energy which is known as a kinetic energy, and another one which is based on the configurations or positions of the body, and which is known as a potential energy. Okay, चलो then after बात आती है heat energy, or we may say as a thermal energy. A body possesses heat energy due to the random motions of its molecules, and heat energy also related to the internal energy of the body. And currently into the winter, in order to feel the warmth, we generate a heat energy by rubbing our palms together, which is the best example to understand the concept of heat energy. चलो then after बात आती है chemical energy. The chemical energy is the potential of the chemical substance to the undergoes a chemical reaction to transform into the another substances. And for an example, batteries में जो होती है which is chemical energy. Then food है, gasoline है, matchstick है, which is the best example of the chemical energy. And the energy which is available for the release from chemical reactions. If the total energy of the react is more than the product of the reactions, and heat is released, and these reactions which is said to be exothermic reactions. And if the total energy of the reacts which is less than the product of the reactions, and heat is absorbed, and these kinds of the reactions which is considered as a endothermic reactions. ओके, एंड जो कोल होता है 1 किलोग्राम, उसको हम बर्न करते हैं तो विच इज रिलीज अबाउट द 3 into 10⁻⁷ जूल ऑफ द एनर्जी. एंड चलो नाउ another energy which is known as electrical energy, and that we already know. हमारे घर पे जो लाइट आती है which is only because of the electrical energy. So the flow of the electric current causes the bulb to glow, फैन टू रोटेट एंड बेल टू रिंग. यानी कि हमारे डोमेस्टिक, हमारे घर पे ही बात करें तो ट्यूबलाइट है, फैन है, टीवी है, रेफ्रिजरेटर है वगैरह में जो एनर्जी चाहिए विच इज़ अवर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. और इसके बारे में हमें 12th साइंस में इन डिटेल में पढ़ना रहेगा. देन आफ्टर बात आती है द इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ द मास एंड एनर्जी. अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, which is so that the mass and energy which are the equivalent and which are related by these below equations. And these are the most important equations is equal to mc square, where c which is equal to what? C is equal to speed of light in vacuum, and उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 3 into 10⁸ meter per second. So using these above equations, सपोज हम इधर m की वैल्यू 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ द मैटर कंसिडरेशंस कर ले, एंड c की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी हमें पता है 3 into 10⁸, तो एनर्जी कितनी होगी? इज इक्वल टू m की जगह पे क्या लिखना है हमें? 1 मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 3 into 10⁸ होल स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड उसकी कैलकुलेशंस हम करेंगे तो 9 into 10⁻16 जूल एनर्जी होगी. एंड ये जो एनर्जी है which is equivalent to the annual electrical output of the larger 3000 megawatt power plant. चलो then after बात आती है nuclear energy, that we already know. Nuclear energy is released during the nuclear fission or a fusion, which is called as a nuclear energy. Nuclear fission में क्या होता है? हमारा जो पावर प्लांट होता है, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट, वहाँ पे हम फ्यूल जो यूज़ करते हैं हम यूरेनियम यूज़ करते हैं, एंड वहाँ से हमें जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, एंड वो एनर्जी को हम यूज़ करते हैं टू जनरेट दी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. एंड हमारे जो सन में जो एनर्जी होती है विच इज़ अवर फ्यूजन न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. ओके, चलो एंड एट द एंड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द एनर्जी. As we know that the total energy of the isolated system does not change, okay, and energy may be transferred from the one form to another form, but the total energy of an isolated system remain constant.